Welcome back, dear students. Today we will see lesson number 1, living and non-living, from standard 4th, subject EVS. As we can see here, one picture is given. In this picture we can see many things are there. Some things are living and some things are non-living. So students, can you tell me which things are living here and which things are non-living? So today we will learn about the difference between living and non-living things. So let's get started. Everything around us is our environment. Our environment consists of both living and non-living things. There are many features that make living things different from non-living things. So first we will see differences between living and non-living things. Okay. So students, listen carefully. Living things can breathe, eat, move, feel, grow, reproduce, give out waste and die. Human beings, animals and plants are all living things. Non-living things cannot perform any of the above functions. Can you name some non-living things? So students, if we can see everywhere in our classroom, we can see many non-living things are there like desk, bench, board, chalk, duster, table, chair, right? So first we should know about the living things. How can they breathe? Okay? All living things breathe. However, they breathe in different ways. Human beings and many animals like dogs and cats breathe through their lungs. Some water animals like fish breathe through gills. Insects like grasshopper breathe through tiny openings on their skin. These openings are called spiracles. Plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. These pores are called stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. So students, as we need food for living, like that all living things also need food. So now we should know about that. All living things need food to live. Food gives them energy and helps them to grow. Herbivores like cows, zebras, and horses eat plants. So, students, what is the herbivorous? So, we should know about that first, okay? An herbivorous animal is an animal that primarily eats plants or plants based material for its nutrition. Herbivores eat a variety of plant matter, including grasses, leaves, fruits, vegetables, roots, and even bark. Some common examples of herbivore include cows, deer, rabbit, elephants, and giraffes. Herbivores often have specialized teeth and digestive system adapted for processing plant material. For example, they may have a flat, wide molars for grinding and longer digestive tracts to break down tough plant fibers. Herbivores plays a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystem by controlling plant populations and distributing nutrients. They also serve as a food source for carnivorous and omnivorous. Students, I hope you understand about the herbivorous animals, right? So now we should know about the carnivores. Carnivores like lions, tigers, and leopards eat the flesh of other animals. They are meat eaters and play a role in a food chain by consuming other animals. Carnivores are organisms, primarily animals, that obtain their nutrition by consuming other animals. They are often described as a meat eaters, as their diet consists mainly or exclusively of animals' flesh. Lions, tigers, sharks, and eagles are well known examples of carnivores. So, students, I hope you understand about the carnivorous animals. Now, we should know about the omnivorous animals. Omnivores like chimpanzees, crows, and bears eat both plants and animals. An omnivore can be defined as an animal that usually obtain their nutrients by feeding on both the plants and animals. Similar to the carnivores, omnivores also hunt prey and other times they forage for plant matter like herbivores. Humans are classified as omnivores as they eat both animals and plants. Let's we know about the scavengers. Scavengers like hyenas and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals. A scavenger is defined as an animal that feeds on the remains of other animals or eat decomposing plant or animal matter. This means that scavenger animals can be both herbivorous and omnivorous. Most times, scavengers do not kill their own prey even if they may possess the ability to do so. So students, I hope you understand about the herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavengers. Now we will see about the how plants prepare their own food. Most plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. So students, did you know about the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green substance in plants that takes in light from the sun to help them grow. The process of preparation of food by green plants is called photosynthesis. So what is the meaning of photosynthesis here? The photosynthesis is the process by which green plants turn carbon dioxide and water into food using energy from sunlight. Non-living things do not need food. Now next we will see about living things move. All living things move. They need to move from one place to another to get food, escape from enemies and so on. Though plants do not move from one place to another, their roots, leaves and stem show some movement. The roots of a plant grow below the ground and the shoot grows upwards. Can you recall the name of the plant whose flower turns to face the sun? Answer is sunflower. Non-living things cannot move on their own. They need someone to move them. Children, we can see in this picture car is there, but a car cannot move on its own. Now next we should know about the living things feel. All living things feel and respond to their environment. When you hug your grandmother, she feels happy. Like human beings, animals also feel happy, sad, hungry, and thirsty. Plants also respond to change in their environment. They grow towards sunlight. The mimosa or touch me not plant closes its leaves if you touch it. Non-living things do not respond to their environment. All living things grow. Their shape, size, and other physical features also change with time. A human baby grows into an adult human being. A chick grows into a hen or a rooster. A caterpillar grows into a butterfly. Similarly, a small seed becomes a sapling and finally grows into a tree. Does your pen or book grow? No, because they are non-living things. Now next we will know about living things reproduce. The process by which living things resembling their parents are produced is called reproduction. Human beings and many animals like dogs, cats, and tigers give birth to babies. Such animals are called mammals. Birds, insects, fish, crocodiles, and snakes lay eggs. After some time, their young ones hatch out of the eggs. Most plants reproduce from seeds. Seeds are formed inside the fruit of the plant. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Then next we should know about the living things release waste. Human beings, animals and birds give out waste. Plants also release waste from their leaves in the form of water. Non-living things do not give out waste. All living things have a fixed lifespan. They are born, they grow, and then they die. However, living things differ in their lifespan. Non living things may or may not have a fixed lifespan. Then, next, we will see about the similarities between living and non living things. Living and non living things, though dissimilar in many ways, share certain similarities. First one is shape. Human beings, animals, birds, and insects have a compact shape. Plants also have a shape. Most non living things also have a certain shape. For example, a table has a definite shape. The next similarity is weight. All living and non living things have a weight. Try holding your pet. It has weight. Try lifting a chair. You will find that the chair also has weight. Third similarity is space. All living and non living things occupy space. So, my dear students, did you know about the molas fish? Molas sunfish are the heaviest bony fish in the world. They have a small mouths that look like a bird's beak. Molas feed on large amounts of jellyfish to maintain their great bulk. So, students, one interesting activity you should do: plant a sapling in your school garden, water it regularly, measure its height with a ruler every week, record your observations. Do this for a month. Did you see a gradual increase in the height of the sapling? This proves that living things grow. So students, here it is, our first lesson is completed. I hope you understand the lesson properly. If you have any question related to the lesson, please ask me in the comment. And if you find this video is good, so share it with your friends. Thanks to all for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new update.